Alright, we're gonna try some RC boat fishing here out at the local quarry with a grasshopper. Right. Let's see. Right there. Alright, let's catch some.
That's fine.
Alright.
I'm gonna take it out there, so like I'm gonna get it gassed.
There you go.
I'm gonna get it turned around.
Yeah.
They're already attacking it. He took it.
Oh
no
my.
way, he swallowed it.
That's so cool.
He fucking swallowed it?
I don't know. Hey, bring it forward. I'll see if we need another hoper. Oh, he's on.
No way. Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Oh, is he? I don't know. Oh, no, he's not.
Damn.
I thought you had one on.
Yeah.
When I don't.
Do you have the other one?
Yeah, it's in the tackle box. Alright.
I'm gonna set it right here.
Yeah. Oh, one just went for it. Oh, there's another one. We're going for it. Oh, you got one. Holy crap.
Are you recording?
You got that, yeah.
Yo, grab this. Grab this.
Yes.
Grab this.
Yes. I got him.
Yeah,
boy.
Yo.
Yes. Damn, boy. You got that good hook set, too. Yeah, let's go. That's so cool.
Oh my god.
Abdomen. Bring it around. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Gasser. Well, just if we catch a bass, we're screwed. Go. Oh. Still got your bait. That's good. Oh, hold. You got one? No, I thought you got one.
I do.
You do? Yes.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy, number 2.
Oh,
That thing's pulling. Holy crap.
is he off? He's on.
No, he's still on. He's still on.
He doesn't get kicked off by that rock.
Oh, there's a nice one.
Hold on. I'm going to take another picture. It's going to be number 2. Snapchat.
Dang. Nice little rock bass. Unreal. No, no. Oh, I got her.
Yeet.
Nice little rock bass. Yeah, this might even be a pumpkin.
Ready? Hold on, put him down here.
Number 2, baby.
Yo!
Whoa. I just went for it. Unreal. Alright, I'm just gonna let her go.
Alright. Put her on the...
Let's go. Still got her bait. Ah, no, that stupid fish took it off. Yeah, boy, number 2.
Halfway to our goal.
Alright, gas her. Do you already have one?
No.
You might. Oh, no, you don't. Go! Might have took all your bait, too. No! Oh! Holy crap! That thing's a giant!
Oh god! Yo, get ready, get ready, get ready.
Bring her in, bring her in! Come on, come on! I believe! Oh my lord! What, is that a bass? No, it's still a nice bluegill. Alright, Hey,
Oh.
that might have been explanatory. Still. Oh my baby.
Coming down.
Bro, that spot is so good, Parker. Oh! It stabbed me.
Is he off or is he still
No,
on?
he's still on. Get this shit out of here. Hey, number 3. Yeah, boy.
I stepped in that.
Aw. Number 3 with the little Donesy. Releasing. Wow, that was speedy.
We can both bring ours out. Tell me when.
Yep, you're good. Oh, did I start the video? Yeah, I did. Oh, holy crap, you already got one.
For real?
I think. Did you see it go under?
Yeah.
You might not have got him. Oh, you got him. Let's go! Hey, boy. Hey. Ooh, we got the bait still, too.
When you have them set up.
Small, tiny rock bass.
Got it.
Off. Alright, you can take off
All right.
again. Going for number 5, 4 or 5, one of those two. I don't remember. Oh, you got him, boy. You got him, let's go. Oh, do you still got him? Yeah, you still got him. Oh, that thing's tiny though. Hey.
I honestly should just keep my phone on me.
Bro, this is bait.
Is it? Oh god.
Look at this baby. Not even the size of my hand. Nice. Oh my gosh, you just had another bite. Alright, take off.